so high, smiling bright up in the sky. Golden beams begin the day. Come on kids, let's shout hooray! Two happy birds begin to sing, tweeting tunes of everything. Wings spread wide, they fly so free, dancing high on every tree. Three red balls roll down the lane, bouncing fast in sun and rain. Up and down and side to side, they spin around and love to slide. Four green frogs go jump, 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 landing softly with a thump. By the pond they love to play, croaking in a splashy way. Five bright kites soar in the air, flying here and floating there. With every gust they twist and glide like magic carpets in the sky. Six small cars go zooming by, racing fast they seem to fly. Beep beep, make way, let's roll down the winding rainbow road. Seven stars twinkle in the night, shining soft with glowing light. Wishing dreams for you and me, glowing bright for all to see. Eight cupcakes on a silver tray, iced and sprinkled in a yummy way. Let's count and share them one by one. Tasting treats is so much